Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start unit 5.2 multiplying decimals. First of all, in this video we will learn that how can we multiply decimals by 10, 100 and 1000. When we multiply decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000, we just move the decimal point to the right as many places as there are zeros in the multiplier. For example, 328.45 multiplied by 10. In this example, 328.45 is a multiplicand and 10 is a multiplier. So, according to the rule, we have to see that how many zeros we have in the multiplier. And in multiplier we have only one zero, which means that we have to move the decimal point one digit to the right side. And when we move it one digit to the right, the answer would be 3284.5. And this is called the product. Now in second example, 328.45 multiplied by 100. Now in this multiplier we have two zeros, which means that we have to move this decimal point two digit to the right side. And when we move it two digit to the right side, the answer would be 32845. Or if you want to mention the decimal point, so you can write it 32845.0. Now in the last example, 328.45 multiplied by 1000. Now how many zeros we have in the multiplier? We have three zeros, and we have to move this decimal point three times or three digit to the right side. But we have only two digit in the in multiplicand. After decimal we have two digits, so we just add 0. Now we have three digit, and when we move this decimal point three digit to the right, the answer would be 328450 or 328450.0. Now let's work task 1. Find the product of the following. 62.1 multiplied by 10. First we write the question as it is. Now what we have to see that how many zeros we have in the multiplier. And in the multiplier we have one zero, which means that we have to move this decimal point one digit to the right side. And when we move it one digit to the right side, the answer would be 621 or 621.0. Now in second example, 0.021 multiplied by 100. Solution. We write the question as it is. Now how many zeros we have in the multiplier? We have two zeros, which means that this decimal point will move two digit to the right side. And when we move it two digit to the right side, the answer would be 002.1 or 2.1, because there is no value of 0 before the number. Now in last example, 83.0 multiplied by 1000. Now in this example, in this question, in multiplier we have three zeros, which means that we have to move this decimal place three digit to the right side, but here we have only one digit after decimal, so we just add two zeros to make it three digit. And when we move this decimal point three digit to the right, the answer would be 83,000 or 83,000.0. Now we are going to learn how to multiply decimal by decimal. And for this, to multiply decimal number by a decimal number, we first multiply the two numbers ignoring the decimal points, and then place the decimal point in the product in such a way that the decimal places in the product is equal to the sum of the decimal places in the given number. Let's work task 2. Multiply try the following. We have two decimals numbers 378.90 multiplied by 7.8. Now in multiplication it is not necessary to write the decimal point under the decimal point, but in addition and subtraction it is necessary to write the decimal point under the decimal point. So I've written both numbers, and second thing is that we have to ignore the decimal point and just multiply both numbers. So we have to ignore the decimal point and just multiply 37890 by 78. So let's start. Okay, this is ones and this is tens. So first we multiply 8 by the whole multiplicand. So 8 zeros are 0. 8 nines are 72. 2, 7 carry. 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 7, 71. 1, 7 carry. 8 sevens are 56. 56 plus 7, 63. 3, 6 carry. 8 threes are 24. 24 plus 6, 30. Now in second step, we have to multiply this 7 by the whole multiplicand, and this 7 is on 10th place. So on unit place or on one place we have to write the cross, or we can write 0, and then we have to start multiplication from the 10th place. So 7 zeros are 0. 7 nines are 63. 3, 6 carry. 7 8s are 56 plus 6. 7 8s are 56 plus 6. 62. So 2 and 6 carry. 7 sevens are 49 plus 6. 55. 5 carry. 7 threes are 21 plus 5, 26. Now we have to add 0, 2 plus 0, 2, 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 2, 5, 0 plus 5, 5, 3 plus 6, 9, and 2. Now we have to write the decimal, and we have to follow the rule to write the decimal, and the rule is we have to count the decimal places in both numbers. So in first number we have 2 decimal places, first and second, and in second number we have only 1 decimal place, and when we add them the answer would be 3, which means that we have to write the decimal point after 3 digits, and we have to count these 3 digits from right side. So 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits we write the decimal point. So the answer would be 2955.420. Now second example. In second example, 81.800 multiplied by 9.160. First we write both numbers and then we start the multiplication. First we multiply, this is ones, this is tens, 100 and 1000. So first we multiply the 0 by the multiplicand. When we multiply the 0 by any number, the answer always 0. So there is no need to multiply the 0 by the multiplicand one by one. We just count the digit in the multiplicand, and we have 5 digits, and we just write 5 zeros in the answer. Now in second step, we have to multiply 6 by the multiplicand. So we write cross in the ones place and start multiplication from 10th place. 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 8s are 48, 8 4 carry. 6 1s are 6 plus 4 10, 0 1 carry. 6 8s are 48 plus 1 49. Now we have to multiply 1 by the whole multiplicand. So we write cross in 1's place and 10th place and start multiplication from 100th place. 1 0 is a 0, 1 0 is a 0, 1 8 is a 8, 1 1 is a 1, 1 8 is a 8. Now we have to multiply this 9 by the whole multiplicand. So we write cross in 1's, 10's and 100th place and start multiplication from 1000th place. 9 0 is a 0, 9 0 is a 0, 9 8 is a 72, 2 7 carry, 9 1 is a 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, so 6 1 carry, 9 8 is a 72, 72 plus 1 73. Now we add all these numbers 0 0 0 8 8, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 2 12, 2 1 carry, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 3 19, 9 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4 and 7. Now we have to write the decimal point, so we just count the decimal places in both numbers. In first one we have 3 decimal place and in second one again we have 3 decimal place. So when we add both decimal places, we got answer 6. Now what we have to do, we have to count 6 digits from the right hand side to write the decimal point. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here we have to write decimal point. So the answer would be 749.288000. I hope you all have understood. Jazakallah.